Teacher Sanjeev Sikri. Today I'll take chapter 14, Statistics for Standard 10. Students, in this chapter, we'll discuss about some measure of central tendency. So we'll be taking three topics in that measure of central tendency: mean, median, and mode. You had already done these three topics, mean, median, and mode, in your standard 9. But here we'll be dealing in details. Mean, first of all, our today's topic will be mean. Mean can be find by three ways. One is direct method, second assumed mean method, and third is step deviation method. Three ways to find mean: direct method, assumed mean method, and step deviation method. Today we will be discussing first method out of these three, that is direct method. So how to find mean by direct method? Students, before finding the mean, let me tell you the formula, what we will be applying for finding the mean, so that the concept terms will be more clear to you. Mean by direct method, sometimes it is written as x bar. The formula is summation fi xi over summation fi. Summation fi you already know, that means the sum of frequencies. Here xi is a new term. xi means class mark, जो आपने पहले भी पढ़ चुके हो. Class mark means midpoint of an interval. तो class mark कैसे find करने हैं? Will be generating one more column. These questions, two columns will be given to you, class interval and frequency. Third column जो आपने generate करना है is of xi. Now how can you generate xi? Midpoint of these two intervals, and the formula is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. 0 plus 20, 20 divided by 2, it will be 10. Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2, 30. Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2, 50. Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2, 70. Lower limit plus upper limit 180 divided by 2, 90. So these are the x's for every interval. Now we need to generate one more column for finding mean, that is fi xi. fi xi means we will be multiplying these two columns. ध्यान रहे fi और xi को multiply करना है. Let's multiply. 15 into 10, 150. 18 into 30, 540. 21 into 50, 1050. 29 into 70, 2030. 70 into 90, 1530. So students, I hope you are getting my concept. Class intervals will be given, frequencies will be given, will be generating xi and then fi xi. I hope it's clear. Now we need to add two columns, one of fi and other of fi xi. If I add these all, you will get 100. And if I add these all, you will get 50, 300. I hope it's clear. इसको ऐड करने की जरूरत नहीं है xy वाले को, because we don't need it. Now put the values of these two, fi xi and fi. Summation fi xi means sum of all these fi and fi xi product वाली terms. 5300 divided by summation fi. Summation fi means total frequency, which is 100. So zeros cancel and the mean is 53. Students, I hope you got this question, how to find the mean of the given data by direct method. Now let me take one more question. When one of these frequencies are missing, इसमें से एक आपको missing आ जाए, तो क्वेश्चन कैसे करना है आपने? Let me write the question. Student, this जो मैंने अभी किया है, this is mean, how to find mean by direct method. Now I am taking a question for missing term. Let me write the intervals: 11, 13, 13, 15, 15, 17, 17, 19, 19, 21, 21, 23, 23, 25. Now the FIs are again given. Students, I am taking question 1 from exercise 14.1 of your NCERT notebook. So you can do the mini questions also from that book. And the frequencies are 7, 6, 9, 13, F जो हमने फाइंड करना है, and 5, 4. These are the frequencies which are given to us. We need to find F here, missing term, and the mean is given. Whenever you will need to find F, the mean will be given to you. Mean is 18. Same method will be applying to find Xi. For applying same method, the formula was for mean was Fi Xi over Fi is equal to 18, which is given. That means we need Xi. तो Xi जनरेट करने का मेथड हमने अभी कर लिया. लोअर लिमिट प्लस अपर लिमिट डिवाइड बाय 2. मैं लिख देता हूँ 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24. Now multiply Fi Xi. 7 into 12, 84, 84, 144, 252. This is F into 20, 20F, 5 into 22, 110, 4 into 24, 96. So students, I hope ये आपको समझ लग गया कि कैसे आपने इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. Now the addition. We need to add Fi. इसको ऐड करेंगे. You will get 44 plus this F. I hope it's clear to you. ऐड करेंगे इन सभी को प्लस F ऐसे. Now while adding these, इसको आपने addition में नहीं लेना. You will be adding these all terms without F. If I add all, you will get 752 plus this 20F as it is. I hope it's clear. इन सभी numbers को ऐड कर लिया plus 20F as it is. Now putting here the values. Summation Fi Xi value is 752 plus 20F over summation Fi 44 plus F is equal to 18. So I hope you are getting this question. Now cross multiply. इसको इधर shift करेंगे. You will be getting 752 as it is plus 20F as it is. Shift करके 44 into 18, 792 plus F into 18, 18F. I hope it's clear. Now for finding F, 18F इधर आके माइनस हो जाएगा. 20F minus 18F, 2F. 752 उधर जाके माइनस होगा. 792 minus 752 gives you 40. Now 2 will divide that side and you will get F. So students, this is how you can find the missing frequency by direct method. I hope you got both the questions. Thank you very much.